Good morning, children. Friends will always see the brighter side of you and be with you. Friendship is a bond that transcends all barriers, when you can expect anything and everything from a friend. Good or bad, it is a real friendship. Yes, children. Friendship is a bond where you choose your own friend, right? And that connection that you have with your best friend is amazing. You can share your bad things with them, you can share your good things with them, you enjoy each other's company. That is what best friends are for. And with this, children, we will do the other activities of the lesson. So let's start with words to know first. Transcend, be or go beyond the range or limit of. Yeah, sometimes you do that now. For your best friend, you do everything and anything, right? To see them happy. Excursion, a short journey or a trip specially for leisure. So you go on those excursions with your families and your friends, right? Pilgrimage, religious journey. Altercation, a noisy argument. So when you have an argument with anybody is known as altercation. Now be mindful. Mindful listening is an important skill. It is a great mindfulness exercise to do with your friend. In general, people are very happy when they feel fully heard and seen. Mindful listening offers a break from focusing on your own self and instead allowing to focus on your friend. Through this exercise, we can learn some valuable positive communication skills. Friendship is all about effective communication anyways. Yes, children. Friendship is what, children? You are two different people. However, you understand each other because of that communication, that effective communication. And today in mindfulness, we will learn some positive things about it. So, do these following steps along with your friend. Think of one thing that you are stressed about and one thing that you look forward to. Once you have done that, each of you take a turn in sharing your story with your friend. Encourage each other to direct attention to how it feels to speak, how it feels to talk, and something stressful as well as how it feels to share something positive. Observe your thoughts, feelings and body sensation while talking and listening. Do this mindful listening will change the way you interact with your relatives and others. Yes, children. So you think of anything which is not good that is happening with you. You talk to your friends, or even you can talk to your mom and dad and talk to them nicely, make them understand, see how they respond. So when you have a clear communication, children, then that relationship becomes more stronger. Okay? Now we'll do the question and answers. Was Saras right in slapping Amit? No, Saras shouldn't have slapped Amit. He should have listened to Amit, because both of them were talking and shouting. So Saras lost the calm and he slapped Amit. Do you think the incident would have helped to make their friendship stronger? Yes, it might be, because when Saras slapped Amit, Amit wrote on the sand that my friend slapped me. But when Saras saved Amit, he wrote on the stone. So we should always forget few things, ignore few things and move on in friendship. What are the qualities you would look in a best friend? So now think of those qualities. What qualities you want in your best friend? He should be honest with you. He should be true to you. He should be very good listener to you. He should understand you. Add more qualities, children. Okay? Does friendship really means the same thing for everybody? Yes, children, friendship is friendship. That is a very special bond wherein you move an extra mile for your friends to make things better. It differs from people to people, but then basic bond of friendship is love and concern. Do you think relationship should be founded on friendship? Yes, relationship always would be the base of a relationship is friendship, wherein you can share everything good and bad with your friends. What do you do when you have a different opinion with your friend? So think of it. If your friend is saying something and you are saying something, how should you talk about it and what conclusion you should get? What will you do if your friend slaps you? Now, if you have a friend who slaps you, how are you going to react? Think about it. What is the key skill of friendship and relationship generally? The key skill of friendship and relationship, children, is effective communication. We should always have a clear communication. We should listen to others. We should explain ourselves better to others, and that is what will make the bond more strong. Friendship needs to be worked on to be stronger. That means you should take care of your friend and how they feel. Most importantly, you need to accept and understand the difference that you have with them. How would you maintain your friendship? Yes, children, understand that your friend is different than you. He or she thinks differently. They have their own opinion. So how are you going to make that friendship stronger? Think and write about it. Okay? Now we have Tony and Tutu. Hey, when was the last time you called Jay? Oh, it's been a month back. Oh, that's too bad. You should stay in touch with your friend. Yeah, you are right. I will call him tonight for sure. So, we should always stay in touch with our friends. Children, now you have so many options. You have phone with you. You have WhatsApp with you. So, try to speak to your friend. Play with them. If you are not going outdoors, make sure that you talk to them. So children, share your things with your friends and see, you'll feel so light and you'll feel so good. Okay? We'll do value for life now. Human beings are social beings. This means that most of us cannot live without meaningful interaction with others in a society. All of us need somebody to care and share our lives with. Sharing our insecurities with friends give us mental peace and satisfaction. It is important to express this unconditional love and support that we give and get from our friends. Friends are family that we make of our own choice. We have to nurture them with love and care. Yes, children. So everybody needs somebody to look after, to take care, to love and to share things. So you have your friends, now you need to make that bond stronger every day, and for that you need to nurture that bond. How would you do that? Talk to your friends, share your good and bad things with them, spend time with them so that you can know them well, and then you have that strong bond with each other. Okay? Now be wise. Great friendship are trustworthy, are people who you can count on. Remember important events like birthday, anniversary or special memories. Like spending time with you. Help out when you are in trouble. Cheer you up when you are sad. Keep in touch. So this is what a good friendship is all about, children. When you have somebody you can talk to, you can share your special moments with them, like your birthday, your anniversary, person who makes you feel happy when you are sad, and person who is always there with you in your good times and bad times. Okay, if you have anything else you can write it down. Okay, so children, we have an activity for you. You are organizing a friendship camp. Write an advertisement in a newspaper to invite people. Mention all the positive things that you will offer to your friend and everything that you would like your friend to bring. Yes, write an advertisement, children, that you are organizing a friendship camp. Invite all your friends and tell them what good is going to happen in the camp and what do you want your friends to get, okay, while they come in the camp. So children, with this we come to an end of this chapter. I know you must have related to this lesson a lot because it's all about friendship, and I know you have a lot of friends, right? So it is always good to have people around you, people who understand you, people who love you the way you are. So children, when you give respect and love, you get respect and love. Okay, so always nurture your friendship, always have that strong bond. I will take a leave for you. I will see you in the next class. Till that time, bye bye, and keep talking to your friend.